I'm here with my own dog, Bachi, to show you how to put eye medication in a pet's eye. Now, this isn't always easy, and some pets are not as cooperative as we would like, especially if their eye is infected or painful. But I can show you a couple of techniques that you might find helpful. Now, what I do is I take our eye medication. An ointment is harder to put on than a drop because it takes a little bit more time than a drop. So what I do, I'm left-handed. So I'm going to do this with my left hand. You might have to reverse some of this if you're right-handed. I stabilize his head with my right hand, and I open his right eye. I open his left eye with my right hand, and I'm going to put this medication right on the surface of his cornea without touching the tip of this medication tube to the cornea. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side, which is a little bit different because now my hand's not in quite the same position, but he's very good. Good job. And we kind of smear it around, open and close his eyes to spread that medication across the cornea. Of course, afterwards, when he's a really good boy, or a good girl if you have a girl, we want to reward him with a nice treat, okay? So for you, you might need a second person to help you hold your pet in a bit of a bear hug, or hold the head, hold the paws down. There can be a number of techniques until the pet realizes that this is really helpful to him or her. But I think the key is using both hands, stabilizing your one hand against the pet's face, opening the eye, and then stabilizing the other hand that's going to administer the medication so that there's very little movement and shaking there, and you have a little better aim and precision. So I hope these tips are helpful to you, and I hope that you may be more successful the next time you might have to medicate your pet's eyes. Thank you.